If you want to change the language in Todoist, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to switch Todoist to your preferred language in just a few clicks. This is useful if you want the app to feel easier to use, if you're setting it up for a team member, or if you simply want Todoist in a language you're more comfortable with. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Todoist and look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see your avatar or profile picture there. Click on it to open the menu. From the drop-down list, select Settings. This will take you into the main Todoist settings area where you can adjust different preferences for your account. Once the settings window opens, look at the left-hand side and click the General tab. This is where Todoist keeps core options like appearance, language, and other basic account settings. Now scroll or look for the language section. Under language, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click that menu and choose your preferred language from the list. Todoist offers different language options, so simply pick the one you want to use. After selecting the language, don't forget the final step. Click Update to save the changes. Todoist may refresh or reload after you apply the new language setting, and once it does, your interface should now appear in the language you selected. That's all there is to it. You've now changed the language in Todoist. It only takes a moment, but it can make the app much easier and more comfortable to use every day. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and comment below if you want to see more Todoist tips and tricks in the future.